Okay, so there's a small detail that I think gets overlooked sometimes when sellers are prepping their houses for sale, but it is something that does make a difference, and it's a minor item, but a lot of buyers think that it might be a bigger issue, and that's like the soffit and fascia, the condition of the house. I just toured a property in Eagan. It was like a 1990s split level home. It was a pretty nice property. It was on the market for $425,000. It's been on the market for 4 days, and honestly, it's overpriced. It's probably overpriced by about $25,000. I think they're going to need to lower the price to $399,000 at least to get it to sell, maybe even 375. But the soffit and the fascia was painted and it was just flaking. The trim was flaking. You could see the paint flaking off. And sometimes buyers think it's not a very big deal, but it doesn't look good. And sometimes buyers will see that and they'll just be like, "Oh my God, it's really horrible." And often it's just old. It's just the snow from Minnesota winters just like wears down that paint. So it's a fix that doesn't cost that much money, because if you can just paint, if you have a really good painter, just painting the soffit and fascia and getting that cleaned up can make the exterior of the home a lot better. And maybe you spend $1,000, getting it fixed up. But if that really gives it that much curb appeal, you could easily get $5,000 more for the sale of the house. So if you're selling your house, give me a call. I can do a tour and point out small details like that where, you put a little bit of money in and you're able to, you put $1,000 in and you get $5,000 back. So hope that's helpful. That's a tip for today. And if you have any questions or you want a consultation to see what your house needs to get it fixed up, or what I think it would sell for, what's the best strategy, just give me a call. My contact information is in the description below. All right, we'll talk to you later.